Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got an unbagging for you, but it's something a little bit different. Let's get into it and I'll explain as we go. So, this is more about making your craft room feel personal and special and lovely. I realise that we're not all able to have our own craft room. I myself don't have a craft room, more of a craft corner of our living room. However, I was offered the opportunity to review some of these wall hangings, and I thought that would be a lovely option for just a bit of personalisation, something that was easy to change with the seasons. So let's get into it. Let's see what we've been sent. Okay, okay, unfortunately I can see straight away one of them is not the right one. I will put pictures up on the screen of what I ordered and then you will see what I mean. So this is the one that's wrong. I'm quite sad, but never mind, can't be helped. I will contact them and ask what has gone wrong. So my thought with this one was that I could use it as a bit of a tablecloth because it's only it is 1 meter by 75 centimeters, and in this case what they've sent me is this forest scene. Again, I'll put a whole picture of it up so you can see. It is a relatively thin nylon sort of material, but that would mean that if you were going to hang it, you know, in a gazebo in the garden or anything, then it would probably stand up to quite a lot of flapping about in the wind and such. It is just unfortunately not the image that I ordered, but the size is great and would, as I suspected, work perfectly for me to use as a backdrop on my craft desk. So there's that one. Pop you away. I will have to go back and check specifically about this design, but the one that I had ordered in this size was £6.84. So these two are a little bit different and are more on the retro side of things. So these are 145 by 130 centimetres. Again, I will put up the information. So we've got a little retro lady there, and then we've got the Route 66 logo. They have a huge range on the website which can cover all sorts of interests, hobbies, you know, things that you would want to display in your house, in bedrooms. Great for popping up in a room where you either can't decorate, you don't want to decorate, but you just need to cover something up and just change something. They had some lovely Christmas ones actually, which included things like sort of fireplace images and stuff that you could hang up, you know, behind a Christmas tree or as part of your festive decor. So, and this is another retro one. Same size, so the larger size of 145 by 130, and this one has a hot rod car on it. This is going to my dad. He's going to be making use of this one. Let's turn it around the right way around for everybody. There we go. So we've got American vintage racer It's impossible for me to show you all of it. I'll put images up, as you know. So these larger ones, the Route 66 one was £10.66, ironically, and the hot rod one is £12.70 in this size. So yeah, all in all, I think they're pretty good. They've got a standard overlocked seam, overlocked edge. They don't come with any fixings for hanging, but that does mean that you're free to hang them in any way you want, whether that be using them as tablecloths, whether you're going to just, you know, thumbtack them to a wall. I think for the price and for the variety that's offered, they could be really fun. I realise it's a bit, you know, different from the sort of things that I normally showcase here, but as I had planned to use them for decorating my little craft area, I thought it would be worth sharing with other people who might also want to do the same. I will pop the links in the description, and I'll do a follow-up as soon as I've spoken to the company and found out what has gone wrong with the one that I should have received and didn't. Because sadly, that's the one I was really looking forward to. But anyway, short and sweet one from me today. I will leave it here, and as always, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.